почему «и»?
Letter «ы» is one of the hardest letter in the Russian alphabet. Sometimes we call it smiling letter because when we pronounce it, we have to smile just a little bit. Look at me. Just a little bit. And if you would like to pronounce this letter correctly, you have to strain your tongue, and your tongue shouldn't touch anything in your mouth. So let's try. Letter «ы» is a vowel, and try to sing this letter. It will be really nice practice. Let's try to do it together. «ы», 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 «ы». That may sound really strange, but this is a really nice practice that will help you to pronounce this letter better. And now let's try to pronounce some words with this letter. Ты, мы, вы, бык, мыть, быть, плыть. I hope this video will help you to pronounce this letter correctly. Thank you for watching it. Спасибо. До встречи. Пока-пока.